Nagsusukot kami ni Papa. Here is Papa. Oh, we are here at, hello, we are here at Cafe Christina again and again. Let's see, what will you order? For today, salad and Mama and Papa, hello. Kain kami. And coffee. Let's go. Gigising lang yarn. Ang mga alaga ni Papa. Ang mga manok. Ang chuchu na currently tumatahol. The chuchu is here. Galit siya to kasi. Ang manok ni Papa. So let's go. Let's make sukat na mga trops. Oh, in-in ka. In-in ba yan? Hello, Kichay. Pakita natin kay Ate Charisse. Res, ito na yung manok mo. Si Manox Nox. Doing great here sa painan. Mataba na po siya. Goodbye. Ang daming itlog.
35 na yung ano.
Nagsusukot kami ni Papa. Here is Papa. Oh, okay, let's have 5.4. Let's go.
Tama yung bakal. Lagi nakaupo.
Yan. Ano, Papa?
Hindi ko alam kung mahihilog na to eh.
Cardin de Marimar. Miramar pala, hindi Marimar. Pag-tasting kami at Tizans here at Jardin de Miramar. Gutom ka na?
Medyo. Tom Goods.
Oh, good.
Mr. and Mrs.
Tizans, food tasting. Ira, Miss Ira. Hi. Good afternoon.
Kasi one name na lang.
One name, ako na lang. Chicken fingers, and then pork. Really? The bread is good. Okay.
Malayo yung quality.
At least we tasted new. Mas
Good
okay yung
na,
quality. Okay. Siguro yung serve to ng naka-plate. Pero parang selective lang din siguro for the appetite.
Ayan, itong
Let's see This is hen salad. Go my pre, you taste it. Ikaw muna mag-critic if okay.
anong salad?
Hens.
What's a hen?
Hen salad. Parang,
Meron ba?
oh! Dressing niya is okay? Nice, nice, nice.
Dahil mo ba?
Oh, pre, this is red velvet. Chocolate ata and, ano ba yan? Vanilla.
Sa red.
Yeah. Cake from, wait, let's see, Isabel. Isabel's cake. How was it?
Ano ba?
Okay lang.
Ano?
Yeah, good. I'll taste the half.
Not bad.
Let's go. Para is getting food at a buffet. Napagod kami after a discussion with Miss Kin of Hizans. Ito yung buffet. Let's go. Food, main food from Hizans. Good yung pasta? Good, good, good.
Yun po. Then, balikan po kayo after nyo naman po kumain.
Sige. So ito na yung update natin on our stairs na before. As you can remember, meron lang siyang stair nosing. Pero now, it has already concrete top. See? Nice. Then as you can see, meron din siyang railings na, pero hindi pa yan sobrang maayos na. So, we finalize pa yan. Here at church na, this is St. Benedict Church, kung saan ikakasal si Kasinawan. Waiting na kami here. Oh, Alta Veranda, the TV. Okay na yan pa.
Wala akong gumawa eh.
Yes.
Architect.
Daniel, Architect Daniel Go. Ini-sponsor niya ata yun din, no? Oo, nag-taga-church din pa. Bilib yarn.
Talagang raw
Happy birthday, Auntie Coco.
Hirap tangga kaya.
Birthday to you. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Yang bati. Maligaya. Bati. Maligaya. Maligaya. Yang bati.
Japanese.
Japanese. Yeah! Si Tito wala.
Cuma backward.
Happy
YouTube bird. YouTube bird. Bonso yung COVID eh.
Go, Neil.
Oh. Fake yun ah.
Yeah! Happy birthday! Ipin mo. Gawa ni Doc Chris. Nice. Yeah! Thank you po! Yes, this is my teeth. Bye po! Nice to see you! Currently drafting my PowerPoint presentation in my upcoming thesis proposal defense. This is the draft PowerPoint and this is the main manuscript. So, yung mga nasa Word file na sinubmit ko for approval, tatranslate ko lang to PowerPoint para once na I will be presenting, nakasummarize na siya. Let's do our best. Few days na lang. Kaya ko to. So help me God. One step forward, a chance, an opportunity, and then a few months to go. Please guide me, Lord. Sana may pas ako. Sana kayanin. Sana matapos ko na yung masters ko. So I'll be having my diploma. I'll be having another degree. Lord, please guide me. Thank you so much.